What I take away from today's Offshore Dialogue is that we definitely need to intensify our collaboration with the maritime industry, but also across the maritime industry if we look into the whole sustainability topic.
The Offshore Dialogue today was an interesting event to meet interested people in possibilities on how to actually use the technologies we have today to mitigate what we see as climate change consequences and to adapt to the problems that we have. The first panel today was on climate mitigation and adaptation. That is, how is the climate today compared to what it was in the past? And the second panel was on what technologies we have ready today that we can start using right away to improve the conditions we live in.
I think it was necessary, it was interesting, it was a nice mix of people on the stage, from climate research, from the classification societies, from startup like me, from a technical university. So I think it was a well mix, and it's always important to have a dialogue about everything and also about the offshore technology. This is a great place to meet, to exchange, and I hope that we leave this place keeping on the conversation, not reducing it to this room.
I think the most important message we learned today is that we all have to work together and we cannot just have these individual niches that we would follow.
Looking into the past, there were a lot of silos on technologies, and we need to look out of the silos because all the technologies that are really efficient and sustainable are across industry, across technologies. That's why we need to work together.